Hi, I'm Jonas Aloberos, DMCI Home Sales Agent.
Naghahanap ka ba ng condo, 2-bedroom unit na for rent o resale? Na walking distance lang sa SM Bikutan at terminal ng mga jeepney and FX papuntang Makati, Ayala, Alabang at saka MOA. This video is for you. Siena Park Residences is located along West Service Road, Barangay San Valley, Parañaque City. For only 25,000 pesos, pwede ka nang makapag-rent ng 2-bedroom, corner unit, 63 square meters and fully furnished. 2 months deposit lang and 1 month advance para sa mga gustong mag-rent. At para naman sa mga gustong bilhin ang unit na ito, kasama na ang mga gamit. PM me now. Thank you for watching.